हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल शर्मा जी की बेटी। आज हम बात करेंगे एक नए ब्रांड की। एक्चुअली ब्रांड पुराना ही है बट इट हैज़ डेल्व्ड इनटू ब्यूटी नाउ। पहले बनाते थे ये जूते, बैग्स and I think perfumes. As the name suggests, I am talking about Carlton London and all its latest launches in the beauty segment. मुझे ये पार्सल आज सुबह ही आया है, सो आई थॉट व्हाई डोंट आई शो यू एवरीथिंग दैट्स इन हियर, बिकॉज आई थिंक दीज आर गोइंग टू बी अ perfect wedding gift if you wanted to gift it to your friend or a family member who is getting married. Number one thing that I have with me is this lipstick set. This is called Glitterati Velvet Satin Lipstick and it comes with a set of 4 lipsticks. This is how it opens up and there you see there's a set of 4 lipsticks. I'll show you all the shades. The number one shade I have with me is a Dirty Peach and this is what the lipstick looks like. This shade looks more pink to me than peach. The other shade I have with me is called Mimosa, which is like a nude color. The third shade I have with me is called Pumpkin Spice, which is a little darker shade, and this looks more of a browny color. Fourth one I have with me is Camellia, and this is what the shade looks like. Call this velvet satin lipstick. I'm yet to try these on, but this is what it looks like. The gift set that I have with me is this one. If you look at it from afar, it looks like the Charlotte Tilbury ki packaging. Is it? In this packet you get 4 products. Let's see what are those 4 products. Package is called Dazzlux. In this packaging we have 4 products. The number one, we have a kajal, and again a beige packaging. You twist it up and that's what the kajal looks like. काफी precision है इसमें. So on the packaging it says that it is a 24 hours long lasting kajal. We are yet to test that out. This set we have a eyeliner. This is what the eyeliner looks like. Okay, let's open this up. Ooh, quite sharp. So that's what the eyeliner looks like. On number 3 we have a perfume with me, perfume mini. This is what the mini looks like and it is called SK. I never tried it, but let's see what it smells like. It's a very I think it's a very fruity kind of scent, which also has hints of musk in it. Mini has a glass bottle, which is impressive. And I think this is a 8 ml bottle. The last thing that we have in this gift set is a lipstick. I like the packaging of this. This looks like a nudie pink shade. Let's try it on. And ooh, I like this shade. That's what the lipstick looks like. I like it. I got the notes of that perfume. So the top note is lavender, bergamot and mandarin. Middle note is jasmine and neroli. Bottom note is sandalwood, oak moss and musk. This entire set will cost you 1790 rupees, so almost 1800 rupees. If we talk about this individual set of 4 lipstick, it will cost you 895 rupees for 4 shades, which is not bad at all. Like I said, Carlton London was also into perfume, so they've also sent me this body mist, which is in the variant Vanilla Hues, and this is a 250 ml bottle. If you want to get your hands on this will cost you about 1500 rupees. I also have the kajal with me. If you want to get their kajals separately, it will cost you 395 rupees. And that's everything Carlton London has come out with and has sent me. Let me know your thoughts on this collection, and if there's something that you would like to get your hands on this. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, make sure you do. See you in the next one.